Hi, I'm Ron with Genmac, a division of 5 Point Fabrication. Today we're showcasing our 1820 horizontal champ. The 1820 is designed to run cheese blocks or any wire cuttable product into retail portions or smaller portions to process into shredding or melting. Some of the key features of the 1820 horizontal champ: enhanced sanitary aspects with a formed frame that eliminates tubing and stainless steel air cylinders. The two-handed anti-tie down control keeps the operator safe while the machine is in motion. The product runs best at a refrigerated temperature.